stop retracing our steps, but in every silence there's a piece of you left. And